Hold on tight, folks. We're about to dive into the wild world of forestry, where massive machines meet their match in Mother Nature. From mind-blowing tree cutting to stump smashing that'll leave you speechless, these machines are here to show who's boss. Let's get started. Bucking logs teaches you respect. Every log's a new challenge. No matter your experience, each cut is unpredictable. Logs don't care about skill. They move on their own terms. It's more than technique. It's about staying sharp, staying humble, and knowing when to step back. The Hypro 755HB harvester is a force to be reckoned with. With its FG45 clamp, this machine takes on even the toughest trees, cutting through trunks up to 45 centimeters with surgical precision. In Sweden's vast forests, the Hypro proves that strength and finesse can coexist, promoting a healthier ecosystem with each fell. The Ransom shark-tooth stump harvester. This thing is a monster. At first glance, it looks a bit weird, but when you see it rip through massive stumps like they're paper, you'll be picking your jaw off the floor. It's unorthodox, yes, but pure genius in action. Land clearing has never been this easy, or this fun to watch. Now, let's talk about raw power. These logs are massive, heavy, and unforgiving. But watch that excavator move them like twigs. The operator makes it look easy, but trust me, every log is a wrestling match. Hats off to those who do this for a living, because it takes guts and skill to manage such brute force. Say hello to the Genshem 593R truck, the ultimate workhorse. This truck gobbles up wood with a 1.4 meter intake and a mind-blowing 300 liters per hour processing rate. From small heating plants to large-scale biomass operations, this truck is like a buffet for wood processing. It doesn't just keep things running, it runs the show. Tree felling is one of the most dangerous jobs out there. Without a clear escape plan, you're playing with fire. When things go wrong, they go wrong fast. One wrong move, and you could be in serious trouble. You've got to respect the risks and always have a safe way out. Okay, picture this. A helicopter swooping in like a ninja with a giant saw dangling underneath, slicing through tree branches like it's nothing. That's right, helicopter tree sawing. It's part James Bond, part lumberjack, and 100% awesome. You won't believe your eyes watching this high-flying action. Debarkers come and go, but the WRAVOR WD 1400 is in a league of its own. Logs? No problem. Any type of wood? Easy. With its optical detection system and smooth speed control, it chews through wood like a hungry dog at dinner time. If you want sawmill efficiency, this bad boy delivers every single time. Don't be fooled by the size of the Ransom RSH-40. This little grinder swings side to side like it's dancing, and those tungsten teeth make light work of even the toughest stumps. Compact, but mighty. It's like watching David take down Goliath again and again, and you'll love every second of it. Looking for the perfect logging machine? Meet the Sennebogen 830E. Not only does it pack enough punch to handle the roughest jobs, but it also does it with style, especially if you opt for the whisper-quiet electric version. Whether it's raw power or smooth operation, this machine gives you the best of both worlds.
Pump system on it, 48 GPM, V-twin Honda.
You've never seen wood splitting like this before. The box wedge hickory. Wood splitter brings 42 tons of force to the table, and when it slices through logs with that 6-way wedge, it's like watching a samurai sword at work. Smooth, powerful, and efficient. Log splitting just became an art form. Winter is coming, but with the Polaris 570, that's not a problem. Equipped with winter tracks, this ATV turns even the coldest, snowiest days into a lumberjack's dream. Hauling firewood in the snow has never been this fun or this easy. Talk about turning a winter wonderland into your personal playground. Now, if you want productivity, the Petzolato PTH 1400/1000M drum chipper is your machine. This thing churns out 380 cubic meters of wood an hour. No joke. Powered by a beastly Volvo engine, it tears through trees like a hot knife through butter. Small trees, medium trees, it doesn't matter. This chipper devours them all. Let's travel back in time to 1796. Here we are in Norway, where this ancient water-powered sawmill is still standing strong. It's a reminder of human ingenuity and the harmony between nature and technology. Imagine the sights and sounds of this mill in its prime. It's a connection to the past like no other. If you think tackling hardwood is a challenge, you haven't met the Woodcracker C550 yet. This machine slices through even the densest wood with precision and brute strength. Think of it like a heavyweight fighter that moves with the grace of a dancer. No tree is too tough for this beast. And now for something truly majestic. Thousands of logs floating serenely down a river, moving in perfect harmony with nature. It's a stunning sight to behold, reminding us of the beauty and sheer scale of forestry operations. Sometimes, Mother Nature and industry can work hand in hand in the most beautiful ways. From sky-high action to groundbreaking machinery, we've taken a thrilling journey through the world of modern forestry. These machines aren't just impressive, they're game changers. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping innovations in our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and keep the adventure going.